This is your ESPN Alamogordo Tiger Athlete of the Week Spotlight, brought to you by the Winter Circle, NMSUA, and Tropical Snow. This week's athlete is Devin Enslin of Tiger Track and Field.
Well, good start to the season for you right away. Got your state qualifying marks first meet of the season. How was that to get that done right away?
You know, I can't say that I didn't expect it. I'd be a little bit disappointed if I didn't do it the first meet. Right now, my main focus, other than state qualifying, is I want to get the school records.
And how far away are you from getting to those marks?
I'm really close. I'm no more than 0.3 seconds off of each of them.
And I know, I'm sure you would have loved to have done it at the Rollabuck, but the wind was just way too crazy for you guys to get something done there.
That's where I want it to happen. You know, I want it to happen at home. You know, I'm shooting for it every meet, but ideally, I would like it to happen at home.
But I'm sure, you know, you're looking to get back there and win the state titles in the 100 to 200 at the end of the season.
Yes, sir.
As well.
You know, I want them both this year. I came short of the 100 last year. I was runner-up, but I was able to get the 200. And I tell you, man, there's no feeling like that. You know, the whole bus ride home had butterflies in my stomach. It was just a real accomplishment, you know, and I can't settle. It's really easy for someone to get on top of the hill, you know, and settle down. But me and Coach discussed always be the hunter, never the hunted. So, you know, I'm still going out after there. I'm going after the faster guys. Like, where are the guys in the nation at? Can I get faster than them, you know, instead of just sitting comfortable in New Mexico on top of the hill.
Are you part of any of the relay teams this year?
Yes, sir. We were able to qualified the 4x2, I believe the second meet, and then we qualified the 4x1 at this past home meet.
How's it going to be to have district at home this year? I got to think in your senior year that's going to be a cool thing for you.
You know, last year we were supposed to have it at home, and we didn't get it. That kind of hurt. That kind of hurt for the seniors, but kind of kept my composure as a junior. You know, knowing that I'll get it my senior year. So that's a big deal. It's a big deal to me. That's a big deal to Coach. It's a big deal to the rest of the team, I would hope.
You are a senior this year, so what are the plans for college? Any schools talking to you in terms of running track?
I got a good amount of letters. Bigger colleges, really small ones. The one that piqued my interest was the Naval Academy.
Okay.
And I'd been working a lot to get that locked up, and I got accepted into the Naval Academy Preparatory School.
Congratulations.
And so I accepted, and I'm going through all the paperwork currently.
And 2 more home meets this year. You got the Alamogordo qualifier at the end of April, and then you've got the district meet at the beginning of May, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll get to see you guys out there at the AHS track one more time this year. Congratulations on being Athlete of the Week, and thanks for joining us.
Thanks again. Appreciate it.